So in this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can transfer money on Starling Bank, and this is a very simple thing to do. So the first thing we need to do is open up our Starling, and then from here we simply want to log into our account. Now once we've logged into our account, we can go to the bottom here and then select payments, which will then bring you over to this page, and then you want to select add a payee, or you want to select an already existing payee. Now, if you click on add payee, you will then be able to select personal or business, and then you just simply want to enter in their bank account details. So this is what it will look like once you have added their bank details, and then you'll then be able to select the pay button down here. So if you click on pay, as you can see now, there is a little money sign at the top. If we click into this, you will then be able to choose the amount that you want to send. So for example, if I just put in £100, you will then be able to go down to the payment reference, and then you can put in, whatever you like into this box. And then you can also schedule this if you want by toggling on this option, and then you can choose a specific date. If you want to send it right now, what you will need to do is you will need to go down to the bottom. So once you go down to the bottom, as you can see, there is now an option for review payment. If we click on this, this is what it will then look like, and you can double check all of the information. So you can double check the amount you are sending, the reference, and also when you want to send the payment. And then once you are happy, you can then simply go to the bottom and then click on the make payment button, which will then instantly send the money to the account chosen. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can make payments and transfer money on Starling Bank.